Have you ever tried to whip up a quick dinner only to end up with a bland, boring meal? Trust me, you are not alone. But I've got a recipe that'll change your dinner game forever. This delicious chicken bacon ranch pasta will have your family begging for more. All of the ingredients are in the description as well as a link to add them to your shopping list.
We're going to kick things off by throwing the bacon in the oven. Now in a large pan, you're going to melt some butter and begin browning your garlic. Once your garlic is browned, you're going to add the chicken to the pan. And now let's add the seasonings. So I'm using my signature blend of seasoning salt, smoked paprika, and garlic salt, as well as adding some ranch seasoning. Now, doesn't that chicken just look so beautiful? While your chicken is cooking, you're going to begin boiling some water for your pasta. Once our chicken is done cooking, we're going to take it out of the pan and let it rest. Now in the same pan, we're going to begin making our sauce. So we're going to begin by making a roux, and that is just half a stick of butter and some flour to make a paste. Now keep an eye on your other pan, and when the water is boiling, you're going to add your pasta. Now you're going to let your roux cook for just a couple of minutes to cook out that flour taste. Now we're going to add approximately 2 cups of milk. And you're going to stir until everything just becomes nice and creamy. Once your sauce comes together, you're going to add your ranch seasoning. And we're going to go ahead and stir that until it's nice and blended. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in some pepper. Now if you notice your sauce getting a little bit too thick, you can add some extra milk just to thin it out a little bit. So now to add the good stuff. So I'm going to start with the chicken. And my little secret, some bacon grease, which you can definitely leave off if you'd like. Now it's time to add the sauce to our pasta. And we're going to mix that up until all the pasta is nice and coated with this delicious sauce. Now we're going to cut up the bacon that we made earlier and throw it into the pasta. And just like that, we made chicken bacon ranch pasta.
So I saw this post on Facebook saying that men don't want to come home to spaghetti. He will definitely change his mind when it is blown with this amazingly delicious spaghetti recipe. Check out this next video to learn the magic behind it.